everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Car.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Car.
Hey, Mel.
Hey.
So, how do you feel about going on an adventure today?
Not sure.
So, I made you something.
Okay, let's see.
And it should be kind of self-explanatory.
Right. Okay, so we're choosing an adventure.
And so I made this with just a paper plate. This is a craft stick. And this is just a little brad that's holding everything
hold
together.
It like this, right?
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so I have all these different adventure ideas.
Yes.
And the way we're going to pick our adventure today is you just flick it, and it's going to spin.
Goes
and
to
then
the
it's
beach.
going to, and then it's going to guess. But you are going to get to spin it.
And I get to choose?
Yep, but you got to make sure it goes, it's Price is Right rules. It has to go around at least once.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Go. There we go.
Fishing!
Hey, fishing!
Hey!
So,
I've never fished.
So, I've fished a lot, so I got
Okay.
you. Don't have to worry about that.
All right.
We'll definitely.
Am I going to get sick on the boat?
No.
Okay.
We'll short
All
fish.
right.
You'll be okay.
All right.
No boats.
Okay.
So, that's the adventure, but there's another important decision we have to make.
Okay.
And that's going to be what's for lunch. Ooh. And so, what I have for you is I have another set. And you can make, I made the adventure spinner. You can make the lunch spinner. So super simple. All this stuff, there's nothing special about it. What makes it special is how we put it together.
I just write it.
Yep, you can just write whatever you want. If you want to go have
You do
cheeseburgers
lines,
or,
yeah.
perfect.
Pizza or
We
something.
can do pizza, we can do plate lunch,
All
we can do
right.
whatever you want. So I'm going to let you do that. And
Okay.
guys, if you liked this idea as much as we did to pick your adventures or pick your food or pick whatever you want, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.